Well, last time I was here, it was just before the big snowstorm of December. What was it? The one we got on Friday. Well, anyways, now it's the coldest day of the year. Minus 16 out Celsius. And there's the redneck roller coaster buried with its hood open. I left it open because I was going to take the battery out, but then it got dark and I didn't see it and I forgot. So I'm going to go take the battery out, but let's see if it starts before I do that. Are you insane? Well, I'm insane enough to try that. And then next, my first super cold start of that bus, diesel at minus 16. Let's do it. Don't get any colder than that for a cold start. That's for sure. Ooh, I don't even know if the battery's charged. Wow. What a car. You can depend on your Chevrolet, that's for sure. Cool. Barely see the parts moving. She's smoking. Well, I guess I'll take the battery out now. Gotta love it. And now for a 3.8. Let's see what's going to happen. Still just as cold. Except the doors froze. Fuck. Take two. No less protection needed. Driver's seat's good. Hasn't been running for about 6 weeks. But this is the coldest day in this part of Canada so far this year. Ooh, something's wrong with that starter. Oh, there we go. Yes! Sweet. Gotta love those 3.8s. Sucks edition anyways. Now for the mighty International 7.3. It says on the paperwork that it should start up to minus 20 Fahrenheit without being plugged in and warmed up. We'll see. So there she be, today's temperature. Time to start it up. Well, being as cold as it is, I'm amazed how well my dozer started. It cranked real slow, but it starts on gas, and then she fired right up. And no problem plowing that laneway. Now back to business. It kind of sucks that I got the bus just before our first big snowstorm and it's never all melted since then. So I haven't been able to go for a ride and even try it out since I got it. And I don't want to plow out my trail because we love riding our snowmobiles on that thing the way it drifts. Even the half car's got drifts growing inside of it. Look at the size of the drifts around that bus. Oh well, the wind all blew around the vehicle so I can get into it no problem. Oops, I forgot. The doors are locked. That means I gotta use the emergency exit. Well, at least the buzzer doesn't go off when the key's not on. Feels weird every time I come in here walking in a bus. It just doesn't feel like mine. Well, now the buzzer works. Better close that door. Well, here we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Damn, it's cold. My battery's just crapped out. One more try. Well, I bet she would have started if the batteries are good. That sucks. Off into the light. Piece of shit. It's a school bus now anyways. It's Christmas holidays. Let's party. And all you factory workers that work at car plants, you got a month off now. Sweet.